good morning from the Contemporary. It is Monday, July 22nd. This is the first, probably going to be the first video of our week, even though we came yesterday, but this is going to be for the DVC Welcome Home Weeks. We're going to the character meet at Contemportary. As you can see, it's just Ryder and I because there's no parking, so Ray just dropped us off. And we had to convince the security guard that we were literally not parking. So he dropped us off and we're gonna go now. And we're at the Fantasia. So it's at the ballroom on the end. They dropped us off at the lobby, but here we are. Good morning. Thanks. Look, Ryder. Look at that. Okay, so here's the picture with Marshmallow. Okay, stand in front of him.
No, but sometimes I like to.
Okay, so we're heading this way.
That's right, friends. Enjoy your time in
Okay, Ryder, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go see your buddy. Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness, right this way.
Oh my goodness.
Right up here, buddy.
Yeah, people will beat you and curse you and cheat you. There's a little one of you. Hello.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
How are you? You're good? Is this your first visit to Arendelle? I haven't seen you here before. Yeah? But you're wearing the official Ice Harvester apparel. I love it. Hello, everyone.
He's doing the Griddy dance.
Oh, yes. I haven't seen that one before. Oh, yes.
You gotta teach it to Sven.
Oh, yes.
You do this, and then you do this, and then
And then you just keep running. It's like you're slipping on ice a little bit. Well, hello everyone. I'm Kristoff. I haven't seen you here before. Is this your first time in Arendelle?
Yes.
Yes?
Oh, so I go ice skating.
You picked a great day to be visiting. Elsa's visiting today, which is always cause for a celebration. And in fact, Anna, do you know Queen Anna?
Yes.
Yes. She has opened the gates and you're all welcome to visit the castle grounds. Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, if Sven were here, he would really love these dance moves. I'm telling you that. Well, my good friend, Sven, I was just going to go get him some carrots. He's probably wondering, Kristoff, where are you?
Ryder, come here.
Well, Sven's a reindeer, you know? Yeah? Did you know Sven was a reindeer?
Yes.
All right, let's see what else you know. Which sister has icy snow powers? Elsa. You're good. All right. When Anna and I were journeying up the North Mountain, we ran into a snowman just about this big. Does anyone remember what his name was?
Olaf.
Olaf. And do you know what Olaf likes?
Warm
hugs. You know, if Sven were here, he'd say, "Gee, Kristoff, you're giving him too many easy questions." So I'm gonna give you some harder ones. Are you ready? Who thawed Anna's frozen heart? Elsa. Well, yeah, an act of true love is what thawed the frozen heart. You guys are really good at this. All right. So after all of that happened, Elsa started hearing a far-off call. Do you remember what it sounded like?
It's like that.
That was so good. What if everybody did it together? Yeah. Wow, that took me right back. I almost ran to the enchanted forest. So we followed that call into the enchanted forest, and there we met 4 elemental spirits. Do you remember what they were called?
Well, earth, water,
Yes.
fire,
And
I forgot the other one.
And there was air, the wind. Do you remember what we called her?
Gale.
Gale, yes. And then we had those rock giants throwing the boulders everywhere. We had the little lizard. Do you remember what his name was?
I do not know what his name is. Please tell me.
We called him Bruni.
Yeah.
All right, you guys are all really good. What about, do you know the 5th element? Do you know who that is?
I don't know.
It's Elsa. Her and Anna became the bridge between the elemental world and the real world. Yeah? All right, final question. Who is the bravest, most loyal, and charming sister who saved Arendelle twice?
Well,
Anna. Well, you all really know your stuff. I mean, if Sven were here, he'd say, "Gee, Kristoff, they know more than you do." He may be right. I mean, you've passed Arendelle History 101, 102, moving on to 103, really.
Come down this way, follow the cold.
Walk, Ryder.
You look incredible. Look at you. Oh my goodness. You kind of remind me of someone. Oh my goodness. Hi.
Say hi, Ryder's Uncle. It's all three of them.
Yes, and there's old Pup there too. So you must be an ice harvester then, if you look just like Kristoff. You are.
Tell them what your name is.
Ryder.
Oh, Ryder.
I need to get this right. It's spelled R-I-D-E-R.
Oh my goodness. So you must have your very own reindeer outside.
Oh, yes.
Do you have your own reindeer? Still working on that. Well, luckily we do have plenty of baby reindeer in the Enchanted Forest. There's a lot of them. There's baby girl ones and there's baby boy ones too. And we think that we're going to name one of them Samantha. Olaf's always looking for Samantha.
Hey, Ryder, talk to them.
Do you know what you would name your baby reindeer, Ryder?
Bob.
Bob. Oh, you knew that right away. I love that elegant name.
Okay, you want to take a picture of them real quick?
Yeah,
Okay.
of course. Come on in.
Okay, look up here. Okay, a hug. He loves hugs.
Olaf does. He is the best one. Yes, he does.
And then Elsa.
How sweet.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
It was so good to see you all today.
So we just finished up. It was a really quick event. There's no snacks or anything. There's water and that's it. But the character meets, you know, when I walked in and we just saw the snowman, I was like, oh God, I hope this isn't it. But then you walked in and there was Kristoff. He did the little Q&A or the kind of like the trivia quiz, which was a lot of fun. And Ryder did really good. We had just watched Frozen 2 with his cousin the other day. And then we went to, and then there was Anna, Elsa, and Olaf, which was amazing. Now, there was no photopass photographers, but it was all three. And Ryder did great. You did good. Now, are you excited? Are you happy that you wore your costume? Because I did have to bribe him to wear this. Are you happy that you wore the costume?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So with that, I would say if you are trying to, if you're around, I think it's worth it, especially if you have little kids. I think it's worth it because where do you get a picture with Anna, Elsa, and Olaf all together, and with Kristoff? Kristoff, you know, is a meet and greet. So those were really cool. Thought it was great. But I wouldn't like design your day around it, but I think it's worth making it over to the Contemporary. I will say, Ray dropped us off with his car. He went to with the car. He went to go run an errand real quick. Like we had to beg them to let us in. So don't think you can say you're gonna get dropped off and park. She actually made him come back around. So I would say like don't think you can try and finagle it because they were being very, very strict with parking. So, but with that, I think it's worth it. It was fun. And you know, it was a nice little event, especially if we were really close by. So with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.
Bye.